you all of you? Fine. Now today we see our new chapter, chapter 5, circle. Now what keep in your mind after seeing the chapter name, circle? You keep in mind the different shapes, right? Now how many shapes are there? So many shapes are there. First is the circle. What is the shape of the circle? This is the like that, right? It is called the circle. Now second shape is the square. Then how to make the square? 4 lines are the equal and you make a square. Now third one is the rectangle. 2 lines are big and 2 lines are small. It is the rectangle, right? You know, you already learned in the senior KG different types of the shape and you have to fill the color. Now it is the triangle, right? This is the triangle. Now another shape is the oval. Right? So today we learn lesson about the different shapes. 2 persons are there. One is the grandmother and another one is the Mohini. Mohini is sitting with her grandmother and grandmother drew a circle. Mohini sit with the besides her grandmother and grandmother drew the different shapes. Grandmother drew a circle. Firstly the grandmother drew a circle. Can you draw a circle? Grandmother asked to the Mohini. You also draw the circle. Now this is the circle grandmother has to draw. Now soon Mohini drew a circle. And now suddenly when the grandmother says you have to also draw the circle, then Mohini also drew the circle. Right? Now I will draw a ball. What the grandmother has to draw? It is draw the ball. Now grandmother draw the circle. How can we make the ball? Have you seen ball? How to make the ball? Now grandmother drew a 3 lines on the circle. Now grandmother drew a 3 lines. This 1, 2, 3. 3 lines grandmother has to draw. You can draw the different way also. You draw the that way also. Now this is also 3 lines drew by the grandmother. Now Mohini also drew the 3 lines in her circle. Now Mohini drew the different 3 lines. Right? This is the grandmother circle. This is the Mohini circle. Now it really look like a ball. Have you feel the just like a ball? Yes. Have you seen that this is the ball? You play with the ball every day. So if you draw the first circle and then after 3 lines it makes a ball, right? Now grandmother says I have make a different circle and I make the balloons. Now grandmother added the, here I can see you, here grandmother drew the circle and then after grandmother has to do the different zigzag line. Zigzag line grandmother has to do on the circle. Right? Now, oh, it's look like a balloon. How the circle made? It is look like a balloon. What says? It is said by the Mohini. This is, look at the picture. We have to draw first circle, then after the zigzag line, it look like a circle. Right? Mohini clapped with joy and Mohini is very happy, it's smiling and it's clapped with the joy. Mohini drew many circles. Mohini, then after, when the grandmother got the circle, Mohini drew many shapes. Now big and small circles. And she feels although also the different color. It is the red, blue, green, different types of the circle drawn by the Mohini. Now she also added the zigzag line to this. She also added the zigzag line. Sometimes she draw the horizontal vertical line, then after zigzag line, and now there are many balloons. Now look at the picture here. See, this is the grandmother. First the grandmother see the circle, then after Mohini sitting besides the grandmother, she also drew the circle. Now grandmother and Mohini draw the balloons with the zigzag line. Yes. Now then after Mohini has to make different balloon with the zigzag line, and so many faces, so many balloons are there drawn by the Mohini. Now Mohini draw the different shapes and make a different drawing. Now Mohini said, yes, I have to draw the many shapes of the circle. She also drew the wheel. Mohini has to draw the wheel. Like wheel. Mohini has to draw the wheel. Then Mohini has to make the moon also. You see moon every day? Yeah, say on the Purnima day it is the full moon, right? Now it is the sun also drawn by the Mohini. It is the sun, right? And her own face. Mohini also drew her own face. How to make the face? Mohini makes the different type of the shape. First she makes the balloon, ball, moon, wheel, and Mohini makes her own face also. Right? So many things are drawn by the Mohini and her grandmother. Okay, children, you understand the lesson, and you have also draw the different type of the circle. Why the shapes are necessary, children? You know why the shapes are necessary? Yes, because when you draw the perfectly shape, it helps to improve your handwriting also. So when you are free, when you have nothing to do, then you have to make the different shapes and you have to fill the color. So your muscles of the hand will be soft and your writing will be good, right? I also hope you have to draw the many shapes at the home. Now here write the correct option. Mohini was sitting with her grandmother. I already told you Mohini sit with the besides the grandmother, right? Then this is the different shape. I have to rub this one and you can properly see Mohini is sitting with her grandmother. I have to written here grandmother. Right? What is the option? Is the B. Then you have to write in the. Now look at children. This is also the shape. Which type of the shape is that? It is the square, right? And you have to write in the box. Box of the shape is the square, and you have to write here B option. Now, what did the grandmother drew first? What did the grandmother drew? Circle, a dot, a line, a zigzag line. Now, the grandmother has to do what the grandmother drew? It is the circle first, right? Now we have to draw in the box also A. Grandmother drew 3 lines to draw a blank. Firstly, grandmother drew the circle. Then after the grandmother drew the 3 lines for making what? What the grandmother make first? It is the ball, right? Grandmother, okay. It is the ball. Now grandmother drew the three lines of the, I have not written here the option, just I write beside here. One number is the moon, then second number is the balloon. Okay, this is the three number. Then balloon, wheels, moon, and D1 is the ball. Then what the grandmother drew with the three lines? It is the ball. Option is D. Here you have to write the ball. Right? Option I have written here. Okay. Now grandmother added a zigzag line to draw a blank. Why the grandmother drew the zigzag line on the circle? The grandmother drew the zigzag line for making the balloons, right? So here you have to write the balloon, and in the box you have to write the B option, right? Mohini drew a many colorful blanks. Mohini drew a many colorful circles. Now you have to write here the circle. In the filling the blanks you have to write the circles. I already told you Mohini, when the Mohini learned how to draw the circle, then after she drew ball, balloon, and then after she drew the many circles, she also drew the face, sun, and wheels also, right? So Mohini drew the different type of the circle. Mohini also drew a blanks. Mohini also drew a star, dot, sun, monkey. Then Mohini has to draw the sun. Here is the written sun, and in the box it is the sea. What did the Mohini also drew? Mohini also drew a cup, a car, cat, or wheel. Then Mohini has to draw the wheels. Here I have to underline the wheel and write in the box also it is the D. Mohini drew her own. What the Mohini drew? Face, nose, eyes. Then Mohini has to draw the face. Her face I have to written here face, and it is the A option, right? Now draw the two things that grandmother drew, color the picture. Now what firstly drew by the grandmother. Now look at here, we have to draw first one. What the grandmother has to draw? Say children, what the grandmother has to draw? It is the firstly grandmother drew the circle, right? Then after grandmother drew three lines, and which shapes, which things will you make? This is the make ball, right? It is made the ball. First with the grandmother drew the ball. You have to also draw with me, and you have to also fill the color in the ball. Now what is the grandmother second thing draw? Grandmother draw firstly the circle, right? You draw with me, okay children? Now firstly you make the circle. Then after here is it is the different semicircle, and this is the string of the circle, right? And you have to make the zigzag line. And what is the made from this circle? It is the balloon. Yes or no? Yes, you have to make the different shape, and first the grandmother drew the ball, and then after the balloon. Here we write the spelling of the balloon. Okay. Now you have to draw in your workbook, and you have to draw the underline in your workbook. Okay children, you understand? Okay, bye bye.